Hey, this is Paul Henderson from Zero to Hero Marketing, and in this jam-packed ad target drill review, I'm going to be showing you why AdSense has more potential right now than you ever thought possible. Now, naturally, I want to tell you about the course and the OTOs and all that good stuff, but first, let me just quickly show you what bonuses I have lined up for you when you buy the course today. Firstly, I'm going to include a course on how to write compelling headlines, because of course, you're going to need to know exactly how to write headlines that get clicks, and this in-depth course goes way deeper into this subject than Ivana and Ram do in the ad traffic drill course. Next up is the chatbot revolution. Now, this is a course in its own right, and there's no reason why you can't use this popular and time-saving method of communicating with your leads right now to further increase your sales. You'll have noticed that that's becoming more and more popular. Some are even saying that it converts better than emails right now. Next bonus is this Bing Ads Mastery training. I've used this myself, and it really is an in-depth course. Now, the Bing network is often considered cheaper than Google to get started, and although that's not the case in the method that Ivana and Ram teaches in the ad drill, in the ad target drill, there's no reason why you can't have both networks driving traffic to your offers. And this training, the Bing Ads Mastery training, goes in depth to teach you exactly how to put together ads that convert on the Bing network. And next up is actually a little known network that Google operate. It's called the Google Display Network. And the sad fact is that it actually confuses the heck out of many people, so they don't bother using it. Which means that the benefit for you is that you can often get cheaper ads by using the Google Display Network. And the idea of this course is that they're going to teach us how to actually use it. They're going to demystify the whole thing. And it just means that you've got one more option to drive highly targeted traffic to your offers. And it's going to show us exactly how to put together ads on the Google Display Network that are going to convert like crazy. So that's that. Okay, moving on, let's go over to the ad target drill sales page and look at what it promises. Okay, first up, I love the headline, turn $10 to $20 in ad spend into 3 figures without any previous experience. So here they have a short introductory video where Ivana just tells us what the course is going to be about. Let's just see what she says about it. Easy step-by-step case study showing us exactly how to turn the $10 to $20 ad costs into 3-digit windfalls within 24 hours. Well, that may be possible. I wouldn't be the one to say it wasn't. The simplest way to make 4 figures a month passive income with these set and forget campaigns. That's quite appealing. Once it's set up, it becomes hands-free. Full-time income with part-time hours. Who doesn't want that? Get started on a zero budget, so perfect for newbies. No tech skills or experience necessary. Well, I think that's not quite true. You do need a certain level of tech skills, even if they're only quite rudimentary. But, yeah, okay, no experience necessary. I agree with that. Concise, no-fluff PDF training, as well as the video, that means, and works in any niche. Well, it would do for sure. And then we move on to what the system does not need. So you can see there, it doesn't need a huge big traffic spend. You can get started for free, and they describe that very clearly. No need for time-consuming product creation. Well, that's true. No need for writing lots of content and blogging. No dubious black hat tactics. I've been through the entire course, and everything is totally above board and easy to implement. No chasing traffic 24/7. Well, that's entirely true as well. It's just set and forget. No vague theory. This is full of practical, proven results, and that much is true as well. The big question: does this system bring in consistent sales, commissions, and money? So here we have some income proof. And then she's recorded a short video here that shows some details about the returns that she's getting for her ad spend. But is this system newbie friendly? I don't have a website and I've never made a cent online. Well, if you remember, Ivana said that it was entirely newbie friendly, and it is pretty newbie friendly, I have to admit. I've been through the entire thing. Like I said, this is a testimonial there from Marina, who's been through it, and she agrees that it's easy enough to get set up and start making. So Ivana says, today is the day you'll learn how to spend just 2 digits on ads. And we'll even show you how to pay $0 for your first ad, so you can get started for nothing. And there we have some more income proofs. Okay, moving on. And there she says, it's not rocket science. Just copy what I do, spend 2 figures on Google, and easily transform that into 3 figures within 24 hours. Okay, look, so that's who the course is for and what it promises and all that good stuff. Let's head across now to the members area and we'll see what's included. I always like to see a PDF included with a course because I just simply prefer PDFs to videos. I just find it much easier to go through and to review and go over again and so on. So the course is presented as a total of 14 videos. Okay, and the good thing that I like about the way Ivana's done this is that they're all, I'm just going to stop that there. This is just an introduction on the first video. You can see there 1 minute 5. Okay, now obviously they're not all as short as that, but the bulk of the videos are between 2 and 4 minutes long, which is fantastic because it means the information is presented in just bite-sized chunks, and only 2 of the videos are actually longer than that. One is 14 minutes and another is 10 minutes, so that's fantastic. So video 1 was this, that's the introduction. Video 2, she goes over the money pages. Now here Ivana describes the types of offers that you'll want to send your traffic to for the best conversions, and she explains in detail the exact things that you need to look for to choose the best offer. Now I don't want to go into too much detail here because this is actually one of the longer videos. You can see there 14 minutes and 54 seconds, and this is the actual nuts and bolts of the method. So I'll just say, suffice to say that Ivana describes exactly what to do in enough detail that anybody can follow. Okay, and some links there to things that you might need. Video 3, crafting your money pages. Now here, just a short video, 3 minutes 46. Ivana describes exactly what your page needs to convert your traffic correctly. And again, some examples of what she set up there. So video number 4, just a couple of minutes long, setting up your Google AdWords account. Don't really need to say much more about that. Some links there, obviously, to the various places. Coupons, that's for your first free ads and whatever. Video number 5, audience setup. Now, in this video, which is only, again, very short, a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, Ivana describes how to create the ideal audience for your campaign, and she gives great detail so that whether you're experienced or just starting out with this method, you're able to follow her instructions and set up your target audience correctly. Now videos 6 and 7 just detail how to create your campaign with AdWords, and she goes into some detail. Each video is only 3 or 4 minutes long, and by the time you've finished those 2 videos, you'll know exactly how to set up your campaign. Just for some images that you'll need, video number 8 goes into how to use Canva. It's only a couple of minutes long, 3 minutes long, but she shows, for those that are new to Canva, it's a very easy program, but she shows you how to use it to create the various images that you can need anyway. Finalizing your campaign, Ivana just shows you how to insert your images into the campaign in this short 3-minute video. So in this module, Ivana explains how to build up your buyer audience quickly, and in the process, she also reveals a cute little hack that allows you to earn anything between $50 and about $497 extra for very little extra work. So that's always cool, isn't it? Video 11, getting affiliates on board. If you want to drive traffic to your offer via affiliates, she describes how to do that here, and that's just another quick 2-minute video. Video number 12, driving your own traffic. Here, Ivana goes through a Facebook ad campaign, and this is quite a long video. This is the second of the 2 long videos that I mentioned at 10 minutes, but she does go down into quite some detail about how to drive traffic from Facebook. So I know that many of you will find that invaluable too. Video number 13, offering to offline market. Now what this is, Ivana tells us how we can offer the method that we've learned in this course as a service to others. And this is it's only 1 minute long, but this is a very interesting snippet for us. In video number 14, the very final video, Ivana just says thanks for watching and finalizes the course. So let's move quickly on to OTOs, because the OTOs in this particular course are actually incredibly valuable. Let's just take a look. OTO 1 is a done-for-you series of campaigns. Now, I always like done-for-you because the time that they save for the cost is just immense value, and it always is. I've bought so many done-for-you campaigns, and usually, with rare exception, after each of them, I just have been so glad that I didn't start from scratch putting all this stuff together myself. So here, let's look what Ivana includes. I mean, for 27 bucks for 5 campaigns, for goodness sake. Review pages, review videos, bonuses, everything you need to set up your campaign, the landing page emails, the targeting stuff, and the Facebook ads, everything you're going to need times 5 for 27 bucks. So how much is that? It's about $5.40 each. That was quick maths, wasn't it? I impress myself sometimes. Okay, moving on, OTO number 2. And this one is really cool too. 3 coaching sessions with us on how to sell this to offline businesses. So this is a subject that they talked about briefly in, what was it, video number 13, wasn't it, or 12 or something. So you're going to learn how you can sell the complete system to others, and you're going to get to know how to implement the system for others and charge them big bucks. Now that comes in at $97, so that's about 30 odd bucks per lesson, but I really do feel that for those that want to sell this as a system rather than maybe even implement it themselves, this could be a huge value for them. OTO 3 is a 6-figure coaching program where you're going to be working directly with Ivana and Ram. You get to ask obviously any questions that you might have live, and you're going to learn how to sell this to offline businesses. So you remember from what I said that this method can be used either to make money yourself or to offer as a service to other businesses. So either way, one of these OTOs, 1, 2 or 3, would come in really handy. I'm a real fan, as I said, of the OTO 1, the done-for-you campaigns. But if you plan on selling this as a system to others, or as a service to others rather, then OTO 2 and 3, I reckon, are going to be of the more value to you. Now, do you need any of these OTOs to make the front-end product work? Definitely not. The front-end product is a totally standalone product and contains absolutely enough detail for you to get your ad campaigns up and running. Is this for total newbies? Well, certainly the method could be used by total newbies for sure. I think you'd have to have just a little bit of a skill set with you to get moving straight away with this though. Will it work? Well, look, without giving the exact method away, because Ivana and Ram do put some twists on an established and proven thing, all I can do is tell you that it uses tried and tested methods, but just with those unique twists that I mentioned. And don't forget, it comes with a true life case study as one of the bonuses that show how Ivana and Ram turned $41 something into $5.5 grand. So I guess, yes, that's proof that it does work. Now the vendor bonuses, let's just take a look. These are the bonuses that come with the product. This is the case study that I just mentioned, where Ivana turns $41 something into $5.5 grand. Who wouldn't want to do that? Bonus number 2, the ad target drill checklist. So just a step-by-step list of the things that you need to do to get this system up and going. Bonus number 3, drive 50k per month, Facebook visitors for free. That sounds like a pretty cool bonus as well. Okay, so look, in closing, my personal thoughts are that this is a perfectly workable method. I know that Ivana has had fantastic results with this. The twists that Ivana and Ram implement to get the results that they've got are simple and easily copied. Anybody can do this. It is just a matter of actually doing it. Would I recommend it? Absolutely I would. There's absolutely no reason why anyone, following the simple instructions that Ivana gives in the videos or the PDF, can't do this and have this up and working, maybe not in 24 hours, but certainly in 48 hours. So in signing off, don't forget you're going to get these amazing vendor bonuses. You're going to get my own bonuses, which will help get more traffic flowing to your offers. So with all those things being said, this is Paul Henderson saying thanks very much for watching my ad target drill review, and I'll catch up with you next time. Have a great day.